Yesterday I posted this video in which I gave you the three stocks that I think are going to give me the greatest return over the next 36 months. And I suggest you watch the video. Then what I did was take that video and shared it with Trent. And Trent wrote a white paper exactly explaining in more detail why these three stocks are going to be the biggest growth opportunities that you and I have over the next 36 months. And then I took that white paper and gave it to Samantha and Bard, and they created a podcast explaining again in detail why these three stocks are going to give you such great return over the next 36 months. I want to share that all with you. First of all, you can go to the link in the description and watch the video. Second, I'm going to give you a opportunity for a link where I will get your email address and send you the white paper on these three stocks and why they are going to give you the kind of returns that you would have gotten from Apple or Google or Nvidia if you had gotten in early. And then what I want you to do is to come to my website for a 14-day free trial and listen to the podcast that Samantha and Bard explaining why these three stocks are going to do what they're going to do, and so that you become an informed investor. That's my goal in all of this, to take you from someone who just listens to his brother-in-law or his best friend and invests to someone who knows what they're buying, knows the history of the stock, knows who the management is, and why the stock's going to perform the way it's going to perform, whether it's good, bad, or ugly in the future. So go into the description. First, click and see the white paper, then go watch the video, then come to the website for a 14-day free trial and make good investment decisions. That's all I really want for you.